Let's unbox the Monaco warming pods together. They come in this beautiful box. Inside, you will find the warming pods, a USB-C charging cable, and an instruction manual. Before using the pods for the first time, they need to be fully charged. You can use a standard adapter for this. During charging, the light flashes red. Once the pods are fully charged, the light stays red. A full charge takes no longer than 1 hour. We recommend adjusting the pods to your client before starting the treatment. This way, you can place them on your client as soon as step 1 has been applied. First, adjust the width. To do this, pull the pods outwards or push them inwards. The correct setting depends on your client's facial structure. In most cases, the widest setting is ideal. If the pods are set too narrowly, they may rest uncomfortably on the client's nose. Next, adjust the horizontal angle. Rotate the pods so they sit comfortably on the bone structure around the eyes. Then, adjust the vertical position. This allows you to align the pods precisely with your client's eyes. Talk to her during the adjustment and ask several times which position feels best. Once the pods are correctly adjusted, place them on a safe surface so they cannot fall. When step 1 has been applied and the processing time begins, switch on the pods. To do this, press and hold the power button in the center until you hear a beep. The button will now light up blue. To activate the warming mode, press the button again briefly. You will hear another beep and the button will light up red. Now, place the pods over the client's eyes. Important! The pods need around 1 minute to reach their target temperature. The warming mode switches off automatically after 10 minutes. After around 2 minutes, ask the client whether everything feels comfortable. Tell her that she should let you know at any time if anything feels uncomfortable. Normally, the lash check is performed after 12 minutes. Because the warming pods can shorten the processing time, we recommend performing the lash check after 10 minutes. This helps you avoid over-processing. If the lash check shows that the processing time is not yet sufficient, place the pods back on and allow step 1 to continue processing. Once the desired result has been reached, remove step 1. Before applying step 2, clean the inside of the pods with a damp cloth to remove any possible lotion residue. Do not use alcohol or harsh cleaning products. Then apply step 2, restart the warming mode and place the pods back on. The processing time you determined for step 1 through the lash check also applies to step 2. The battery capacity is sufficient for up to 6 cycles. Since each client requires 2 warming cycles, you should recharge the pods after 3 clients at the latest. On busy treatment days, this may be necessary even earlier. The warming pods can also be used in the same way for brow lifting treatments. Make sure to follow the shorter processing times for brows. You can find the exact processing times on our website, on the product page for the lotions. Finally, clean the pods again with a damp cloth and place them back safely. This keeps them clean, well-maintained, hygienic, and ready for your next treatment.